Okay, so I'm gonna be doing two things. First, I'm gonna be giving the chickens food. They love food. So, there. And then they demolished that in like 2 days. And usually I fill up that food, but it's pretty full. I can't lift it up, so that means I don't need any water. I can barely lift it up anyway. And then I grab the eggs. Egg. Put them in. And I'll just do this. One more egg in there. And then the other thing that I was going to be doing is first I gotta put this right there. I wanted to show you guys this thing called the stick of terror. It terrifies the chickens, like terrifies them. And so this is the stick of terror. As soon as I hold it, as you can see, the chickens are running away. I take this and look at. Even if I come near them, they automatically just are scared their right mind out of it. Because this is what I use whenever they're bad. But they're not bad right now. So that's the rooster. He's really nice.